Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Click the image layer in the Layers panel to select it and start. Look for a blue outline and the layer name to confirm selection. Inspect nearby layers and groups for a mask or clip path affecting the image. If the image is inside a group, double-click to enter the group and isolate the image layer. Keep selection precise to avoid accidentally changing other elements. Use the Layers panel search to find images by name when projects scale above 100 layers. Open the right sidebar fill panel when the image layer is selected. Click the fill thumbnail, then choose Remove Image to clear the fill immediately. To swap files, choose Replace Image and pick a new file from your computer. If the image sits inside a component instance, right-click and choose Detach Instance first. After detaching, you can delete the image without altering the main component. Confirm changes visually to ensure empty frames look intentional, and press Delete or Backspace to remove any selected image layer quickly and efficiently. To remove many images at once, multi-select layers with Shift or Command keys, and then press Delete. Use the Layers filter to show only images, simplifying batch selection when the file has hundreds of layers. After removing images, export a copy as PNG or SVG to lock the current visual state and preserve originals. Save a duplicate file before bulk edits so you can restore images later if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.